Klaus Telmark, New Hampshire 4-H Science Guy, here with your steampunk invention tip of the day. Now, steampunk inventions are really chain reactions. A chain reaction is a series of events that transfer energy from one object to another object. There are really two kinds of energies we're dealing with here. Potential energy, which is stored energy. The car at the top of the ramp has high potential energy. When that gets bumped and starts rolling down the ramp, the potential energy is converted into energy of movement, or kinetic energy. So in that way, a series of events can take stored energy, transfer to energy of movement, to hit another object that's got stored energy, and it transfers that energy into more energy of movement. So potential energy is the stored energy. The energy of movement is kinetic energy. Let's take a look at my little device here and see what happens. I'm going to roll a marble down the tube. So the rolling marble has kinetic energy. It's going to bump the car that has potential energy. So the car will roll with its potential kinetic energy till it bumps into the board, which has high potential energy right now since it's stored. Let's see what happens. There you go. 3 events in a chain reaction taking energy that started from a marble and ended toppling a board. So for more tips on building your steampunk invention, go to the website at the end of this video, and we'll see you at the Steampunk Invention Challenge in April. Cheers.